Hello friend, welcome back to Diesel Mercedes YouTube channel. I bought today this 1984 300 CD turbo diesel, this beauty. Needs a bunch of work. I'm taking apart a lot of stuff, so I'm starting with removing the battery so I can put it overnight on the deep cycle charge. And I really also want to see how is the condition under the battery tray, if there is any excessive rust and I need to deal with it. So obviously when I'm removing the battery on any car, I start with the minus, right? Minus terminal. I'm using, by the way, the range number 13. So I remove that minus. Now I can safely continue with removing that plus, which also should be 13, right? Right here, okay. And that will be basically disconnecting the battery from the vehicle. Now I will grab the camera and show you how the battery, in this case, is installed. So let's go and look together. This is how it's there. There are two, I believe, 10mm bolts. I'll point my finger on those. One is there and one is there. There are such a brackets there holding that battery in the place. I brought the extension here with the 10mm socket so you can better see the location of both bolts. And they seem to be loose. I didn't even need a ratchet for it. Maybe somebody was dealing with it recently. I don't know. Oh, this one is tight. Okay, it wasn't super tight. So these are free. I can carefully lift those brackets, including those bolts. That was one side. Here is the other one. Okay, this hand is more suitable for it. And I should be able to get a super heavy battery out. And it will be tight fit, but I don't think I need to remove that air filter. Hopefully, just by millimeters, it will give up. And I will be able to pull it out. Wow, that's heavy. And here we can see the battery ready for that deep cycle charge. This one is 713, now it's 18, so it's already 5 years old. Hopefully it has still some life left. Here is the charger. But let's go and see on that battery tray. The owner again told me that he was recently tinkering with it and there wasn't any rust. So what do you think? And that's the tray, right? So it's a bunch of rust right here. Again, if you are serious about the car ownership, you don't wanna leave this here. I will not stop here. I also wanna inspect it underneath that tray. So I will start with removing these two screws. And these are also both of them 10mm socket. There's another bolt down there, it's also 10mm. And there should be the last one right here. I believe it's also 10mm. You can see the wrench on top of it. All those removed. I should be able carefully lift the whole thing out. But I will use both hands for it. So we saw the tray, it's out, and let's see what is behind it or below it. And that's what I'm saying, this is really important part of the maintenance. In my experience in the past, in certain vehicles, I saw huge damages here. This might have been completely rotten away, then your suspension obviously cannot work, because let me show you what it is. That's where we are just working, right there, right? Part of suspension. So, yep, if you are serious about owning W123, definitely take your time. You don't want to have holes from the rust all over here and then having some serious problems. And that's all from me for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you are subscribed. If you liked it, hit that like button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.